Gatfiles, beautiful greetings from Malta, south of Italy. And I'm here, I just wanted to send you some blessings. This is such a privilege. I'm actually just taking sun. I'm lying here on this beautiful rock. Check this out. This is so beautiful. And there's my bike. I rented a bike, so I'm more mobile. Look at this, and they have a lot of caves and stuff. It's beautiful. And what I'm doing for the first 3 days arriving here, I'm doing only spirulina and lots of water. This is just a colored bottle, glass bottle, and lemon juice. So for cleansing the body, as much lemon juice as I want, lemon and lime, and around 10 to 15 tablets of spirulina. It's gonna turn out, I think, like 5 grams, if you want to know all the details about it. And yeah, and after that, I can't wait to eat cactus pears. I love cactus pears. If you haven't seen the video on cactus pears, where I eat them on, I think it was on La Palma, on the Canary Islands, check that out. I'm going to keep you updated on the process of detoxing, how I feel. Right now I'm a little bit hungry, I just started. So the rule was yesterday in the plane, when I put the first step on Malta, on the island, I'm going to do a cleansing time. And that's what I'm doing right now. It's day 1. And if you have any questions about that, what do you want to know, let me know in the comments below. Looking forward to that. And I see you later. Bye bye. Guys, so it's day number 2. I'm in Mostar, which is part of Malta, obviously, and I wanted to update you how it was yesterday and what I'm doing right now, what I decided, because there are some changes. First of all, isn't that just beautiful? Oh my god. So basically yesterday in the evening I got really, really hungry and I felt like completely lightheaded. Oh, there's a bench, let's head over there. I felt completely lightheaded and couldn't really concentrate. I couldn't even speak on the phone. I couldn't do any work. Was just super tired and yeah, even got like blood sugar issues. So I decided I'm just gonna go to bed, and that's what I did. And then I woke up in the middle of the night and I was so hungry. I really felt like it was super painful and it didn't go away for hours. So I decided, okay, Peggy, I need to eat something. I drank and drank and drank. It didn't go away. Good morning.
Good morning.
You have a great bench here.
Yeah.
So I drank and drank, and what I actually decided that I need to eat something, and it was 2 o'clock, everything was closed, so I went down to the vending machine and I got some potato chips. I would have preferred fruit, but there was nothing there, and it just relaxed me. So all you fasting experts right now, you will tell me, I can't do that. But actually, I'm not for suffering. That's what this channel is all about. It's not about suffering and getting through pain and stuff. I wanted to listen to my body. My body said, I really, really need food. And that's what I got. I was happy then. Now I haven't eaten since then, but I decided I'm going to modify the whole thing. I'm going to still do a lot of lemon juice and spirulina, and I'm going to include some fruits and maybe a cucumber, which is also botanically a fruit, to get some electrolytes and get a little bit more minerals in. I'm also going to do an outing to CATACOMBS, which are 4,000 before Christie. Super exciting on Malta. I got a goosebump when I just read that in the airplane. It was like, wow, shivering all over. So that's where I'm gonna go, and I keep you updated. I'll see you later. Bye. Hey guys. guys, so it's day 3 of my fasting experience, which turned out to not be that much fasting. I hope you can hear me, I'm screaming because the ocean is so loud. But it's sunset time. It's around 5 o'clock right now, and yeah, I wanted to update you on the last fasting day. So I decided on day 1 in the night, so basically it was day 2 at 2 a.m. That I couldn't do the fasting anymore because yeah, my stomach was hurting and all kinds of pain, which I described before, and I don't like suffering at all. So what I did now was like going for fruits. I had a lot of cucumbers today, lots of lettuce as well for getting the vitamin K. I also continued with the Hawaiian Spirulina with lemon juice and lime juice, water in the morning. Yeah, and lots of fruits, bananas, oranges, all in mono meal. So there was some cleansing, and I'm also looking forward to tomorrow just eating whatever I want again. And then we are coming up to the Detox Intensive anyway, which I'm doing with you guys. If you want to join, it's not too late yet, you can still sign up. It's a 5-day detox adventure which we're doing in a group together. You can find out all the information below. And there's going to be a lot of fruits, and not only raw, also some cooked meals, so you won't have any strong detox reaction or anything like that. Okay guys, I'm gonna enjoy the sunset. If you have any questions to the 3 days that I had, feel free to comment below. I'm happy to answer them, and I wish you a beautiful day wherever you are. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.